title down, take the unit down, the model problem and the practice problem, and when you've done that, then press play again. This means that you've written that down so you're ready to follow along. Now, Erica, we're going to learn the sum of cubes today, sum and difference of cubes, and we'll start with the sum of cubes. I have this problem which tells me to do what? Yeah, it tells me to find the roots to x cubed plus 8. I could think about that as adding two cubes together. X cubed plus what cubed? 2 cubed. That's right. X cubed plus 2 cubed. Now there's a specific formula that I need to use, and it looks like this. Anytime I have a cubed plus b cubed, that's always equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's the formula for the sum of cubes. So what am I doing? I'm pretending that x is a and 2 is b, and that's how I use this formula. Take note of that and write this formula in your summary column so that you understand that this is a key formula for you to know. Now let's practice plugging it in, but only after you've actually written it down. So pause until you've written it down. All right, let's try plugging it in. So I have x cubed plus 2 cubed, and this formula says that it's going to be x plus 2 times x squared, because x represents this a, minus 2 times x plus 2 squared. What's 2 squared? Yeah, that's right, it's 4. And that's it. Now, from here, we're done. This is as factored as it can get. So when we're finding the roots, we're just looking at that one piece right there. What's the root of that one piece? That's right. X equals a negative 2. We're done. Now try this model problem, or this practice problem rather, on your own. Actually worked through this entire problem. You've used the formula to find the solutions to y cubed plus 64. It means that you've also noticed that it's a sum of cubes. So don't keep going until you've actually done that. So this is how the first part of it looks, and will always look like this. I've rewritten this as a sum of cubes, and it's always going to be y plus 4 times, and that's what I want to make sure you remember and understand. So pause it and try it again. Okay, so it'd be y squared minus 4y plus 4 squared. That's right, 16. Set this one equal to 0, and you get the root. The root y equals to a negative 4. The solution y equals a negative 4. Now we're going to look at the iteration of difference of cubes. Look at this model problem, copy this model problem down, and then only then move on. Great, so now that you have it copied down, let's continue. It says to find the roots of x cubed minus 27. I don't know how to do that. I could probably figure it out maybe eventually over time, but I just don't know. I need to know this other version of the formula. It's the difference of cube formula. A cubed minus b cubed equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. And this will help me find the roots. In this example, I could say that a represents x, and that b is represented by, how can I rewrite 27 as a cube?
9.
How can I rewrite 27 as a cube?
3.
3. Thank you. So 3 cubed. That's right. 3 cubed. And so now I'm going to plug this in. And remember, I'm saying x is a and 3 is b. So let's follow along. X minus 3. What would I write next? Have you gotten it? What would I write next? Okay, once you've done that, you can check your work. Good job. And this is going to be our only root right here, which would be x equal to 3. And we're done. There's one more problem I want you to try, just to make sure you've internalized it. This problem asks us to find the solutions. Yeah, you can read it. That's right. To x cubed minus 216. Yes, it's in the difference of cube sections. Yes, 216 can be written as a cube. Yes, you need to figure out which one. Good luck. Paulina, you're only pressing play if you've actually done the practice problem. Have you done that yet?
Yeah.
Esteban, have you done that yet? Great, then you can move on. Check your work. Bring any questions you have to class tomorrow and we'll answer them then. See